This is 107 Queensberry Street, apartment number 3. Look in the entryway. Start with the closet next to the front door. Plenty of storage space. Got a couple of shelves. It goes up fairly high. And it's pretty deep as well. I've got a bunch of shoes back there, suitcases, plenty of room for all that. Here's the kitchen. Got microwave, dishwasher, sink, oven, stove, room for other appliances. Next we have, let's go to the bedroom next. All right, got a couple windows here. Let's give it some light. Here's the closet. Again, pretty deep. A couple shelves for storage space. A lot of room for shoes on the bottom. And the living room. Got built-in shelving over here. Bay windows on the far side. And the bathroom. Got a full bathtub, window on the back side there.